Understand you soon, it won't be long.
Keep on, keep running. Running and running.
We're going to look at doing the loopy simple substitution homework. Okay, so you're just going to need a calculator and then a starting point. I'm going to start on this top one. Okay, you're going to calculate the value in the bottom of the box, and that's going to lead me to one of the answers. Okay, and then that's going to be my next one in the circle. Okay, so it says pick any card. I'm going to start with the top one. So if you've picked a different card, once I calculate this will be find this part on your loop, all right, and then check if it continues round to the next card. Okay. So it says use the answer to select the next card, work out the answer, and write it in the next circle on the loop. Repeat this until the loop is complete. So AB, so that's A multiplied by B, okay, and I've got 7 and 3, so I've got 7 times 3. That's going to give me 21, so I'm going to start up the top there. 21. Okay, that's going to lead me to this card here. Okay, so 3U plus 4B. So I've got 3 times 5 plus 4 times 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. And if I add them two together, I get 23. Find 23 on my cards, and it's the one at the top, just here. So 3mn divided by 4. So I've got 3 times m, which is 2, times n, which is 6, and I'm going to divide all of that by 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Divide by 4. 36 divided by 4 gives me 9. Okay. This one here is going to be 9. Okay. Get x squared times by y squared. So I've got 3 squared times by y is 2, and that's y cubed. 2 cubed. 3 squared is 9. 2 cubed is 8. 9 times 8 gives me 72. Find 72 on my card. This one here. 5EF. So I've got 5 times E, which is 3, times F, which is 5. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 5. Okay, so 10 times 15 is 150, and half of it is 75. So 15 times 5 equals 75. So the next one is 75, which is the one down here on the bottom. Okay, let's check. We've done about a quarter of the circle now. So we've got 21, then 23, then 9, then 72, then 75. Okay, let's look at question 75. 1/2 of P times Q. So P times Q divided by 2 is another way of saying 1/2 times P times Q. So P is 9 times 6 divided by 2. 9 times 6 is going to give me 54, and 54 divided by 2 gives me 27. Okay, now back up to the top. 2 times R times S. So 2 times 6 times 4. Take away 6 squared. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 take away 6 squared. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, so I've got 48 take away 36 gives me 12. So put my 12 in the box, and we're down to the bottom. 4 times t times u squared divided by 5. Now because of BIDMAS, we're going to have to do the u squared first. So u is 2, so 2 squared is going to give me 4. So I'm now going to write that out, 4 times t, which is 10, then times my 4, divide by 5. 4 times 10 is 40, 40 times 4 is 160, and then I need to divide it by 5, so 160 divided by 5 gives me 32. Okay, now I've got a 32 on that, which is right at the top. 3g squared minus h divided by 2. So 3 times g squared, 4 squared, minus h, which is 20, divided by 2. So the 4 squared is 16. 3 times 16 minus, and the 10 divided by 2 is 10, 20 divided by 2, sorry, is 10. So 3 times 16 gives me 48. Take away 10 gives me 38. So my next one is 38. Which leads me to this one. Find the value of 4j cubed. So 4 times 1 cubed plus 6 squared, k equals 6, divide by 10. 1 cubed is 1, so I've got 4 times 1 plus 6 squared is 36, divide by 10, that's going to be 4, plus the 36 gives me 40, 40 divided by 10 gives me 4. So look at the answer 4, which is over here. Yz minus y squared. So y is 7 multiplied by 8 minus 7 squared. So 7 times 8 gives me 56. Take away 7 squared, which is 49, leaves me 7. One more left to do, which is this one down here. Write the value of 2cd plus c. Okay, so 2 times c, which is 6, times d, which is 5, plus c, which is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 5 gives me 60. 60 plus 6 equals 66. 66, and that was the card that I started with. Okay, so for your homework, your answers in the middle circle should be in any order. 21, if you started there, 21 goes to 23, to 9, to 72, to 75, to 27, to 12, to 32, to 38, to 4, to 7, to 66, and back to 21. Okay, hopefully that was useful, and well done if you got it right.